Lydia.
It's Alma.
And we are here to talk about our braids. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel so that we can produce more content for you. If you don't subscribe, we can't do anything. We just have to stop.
God.
And then I have to give it a varnish. We have had our braids in now for
4 months.
No, relax. I got mine New Year's.
For 4 months. It was in November.
I didn't get mine in November.
In the middle of November, yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
I got mine for New Year's.
For New Year's? Well, I had mine in for 4 months.
Apparently. And we just want to talk about how it's helped our hair so far. You have a quick zoom in our scalps. You can see that there's some growth. Yeah. And then, you know, once this is washed and treated and like stretched and stuff, it's gonna be nice. When we braid our hair, we don't like have it super tight to the scalp, which I think actually helps hair growth, because if you're like putting stress on your scalp, it doesn't really help the hair come out any quicker.
You only need simple ingredients when you have braids in. Just oil and moisturizer, and that's it. You can sleep, you can do mini hairstyles, you know. It's simple, it's fun, it's relaxing, and your hair is growing on top of that. Like, how blessed is that? So blessed to just grow a hair like that and still look fly. I mean, like, tweet, 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 tweet. This ain't Twitter.
You said fly.
Oh, fly. Like this.
Okay. One thing we haven't really been doing a whole lot is oiling our scalp. We did a lot in the beginning when it was kind of
very cold. Yeah,
colder. But we don't oversaturate our scalp. We just do it when we feel like it. And like the dandruff has been very minimum. If you get a lot of dandruff, I'd suggest then having oil.
And when your hair is dry, you need to squirt it with water and then just put moisturizer. It's kind of like when you have your Afro out. Just spray, moisturize, and that's it.
Your hair gets thirsty too. Not as thirsty as Alma, but your hair will get thirsty too. And when you have that feeling, just squirt some water on your hair. That's it.
Yeah, man.
That's it, me ducky. You don't need nothing else, you know what I mean?
Cupcakes. And we are about to take these out because the hair is starting to like smell.
Yeah.
And that's how you know it's time to take these out. Down, 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 down.
And we also
always putting me down, but I will come up from the ground.
Okay. A lot of people have been asking us how we actually braided the hair. And I felt like, man, we didn't do a tutorial. It'll be a minute before we can show it again.
I took advice from that comment, from one of y'all's comments, to part the hair in 4. And then I just, you know, start taking each section and part it, do a row, start braiding.
We could keep this in for longer. I mean, it's a lot of people say braids take out their hair, but I think it's just about how you kind of look after it.
No, I don't.
Like, putting too much moisturization can ruin it. Not enough.
Especially when you do it too tight. I see a lot of people with really tight scalps. I just feel like they can't breathe. That hurts mine.
Oh, yeah, that doesn't even feel good.
That don't feel good, so why are you doing it to me?
Give it a go. Let us know. We saw some comments on Instagram saying that people were wearing a protective style, which is really cool. And it's getting a lot warmer, guys. Global warming is real. It's hot in February.
Summer in February.
It's not good. Don't get too happy. We're all finished.
We are finished. We are done. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead.
You don't have friends in the first place, so you can do it.
You think you're my friend?
I don't think nothing. I don't know who you are.
In the next vid, you will see us with our froze.
Yes. So, are you ready?
Go
ahead and post your fro questions below,
and look at
so that we can, you know. Disgusting. And guys, look, no edges, No edge is done.
My edge
and we still look fine. You hear what I'm saying? We still look fine. Look at all them curls and them edges. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
You ain't cool.
You ain't nothing. So, thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Short and sweet. Right to the point. Get mad. But we have a lot more coming for you. Stay tuned. And let us know.
Yes, of course, let us know. Anything you want to have.
And tell us anything that you may need some advice on.
With my... I'm sorry, I just love that song so much.
With my hair all off beat. Stop it.
You off beat, you ain't following.
Following what?
Look, now you mess up my hair.
It was messed up in the first place. How am I gonna mess up something that's already messed up?
How you gonna hang outside of the club? You can't even get in.
You don't have ID.
Excuse me? I am 19.
Okay. 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 Is that a cat fight? Is that a cat fight?
Lydia.
Don't scare me. Oh God.